Hello everyone, today I'll be covering graphs. A graph is a nonlinear data structure comprised of nodes or vertices and connected by edges. Here's what a graph looks like visually. Graphs are used to represent social networks, maps and navigation, and even in recommendation systems. Some types of graphs include directed graphs in which the edges go in one direction, undirected graphs in which the connections go in both, and weighted graphs in which each edge has a value or cost. Graphs can be represented in two main ways. For example, the adjacency list. Inside an adjacency list, each index corresponds to a node, and at each index contains an array that contains each node that it's connected to. So for example, index 0 in this adjacency list corresponds to node 0 in a graph. And since there's an array with the values 2 and 3, node 0 is connected to nodes 2 and 3. There's also adjacency matrices in which the row headers correspond to a starting node and the column headers correspond to a ending node. So for example, if node 0 or row 0 has a connection to column 2 or node 2, then we would put the value of 1 at those indices inside the adjacency matrix. And that sort of process works for all the values inside the adjacency matrix. To traverse a graph, we would use breadth first search or depth first search. I've covered these algorithms in a previous video, so you should go check them out on my channel. Thank you guys for watching.